Good morning, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a well-equipped 2022 Volvo XC40 T5 R-Design with Polestar optimization. This is in Pebble Gray Metallic with a charcoal nubuck and Napa leather interior. Those 20-inch wheels, those R-Design wheels look great. This has the climate package. You get the heated front and rear seats, heated leather wrapped steering wheel. The advanced package on this gives you the 360-degree camera system, which is great for parking, and the pilot assist with adaptive cruise control, which is the semi-autonomous drive mode. This compact SUV can pull up to 3,500 pounds, and we can install a trailer hitch for you right at the shop. Keyless entry, hands-free power liftgate. This also has the grocery divider in the back, and these seats do fold down flat, and this luggage cover stores right below the floor. Nice and neat. This has the protection package, so you get both sets of mats, and we've installed the rubber mats already, so you can see how they just snap into place. The XC40s are super fun to drive. You sit up high, they're easy to maneuver, really open cabin. So the Napa leather is on the side and the nubuck all in the center. That panoramic sunroof lets in all the light. Harman and Kardon stereo system. With the R-Design feature, you get the gloss black trim, and that extends to the interior. Your ignition switch is here. And not very many changes at all for the XC40s this year. This one has the wireless phone charger, plug in for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. I would like to show you that if you drop this down, this is really cool, go into settings and my car. If you share a car with someone, this is the best thing ever. Maybe you two don't like the driving feel of a stiff car. You can compromise by doing this. So you can create your individual drive mode. I mentioned earlier that this has the Polestar optimization. So I am going to check that. So what that does is it gives you smoother shifting, quicker shifting. It settles down around the corners when you're going fast around the corners. It kind of tucks in like a skier would, and it just gives you a really dynamic drive mode. But the comfort mode is super chill, and a lot of people like that too. Start stop, I'm going to check that. It'll be in standby when vehicle is not moving, and I think I'll keep the brake characteristics at dynamic. So now when I go to this drive mode here, I will have created my individual drive mode with my personal driving preferences. So there are just so many cool things about the XC40s. This is a 22, it's stock number 22023. PortlandVolvo.com has all the details. Come see us on 9 US Route 1 in Scarborough, Maine. Give us a call, show up. Thanks for watching from Portland Volvo.